How to return games on Steam in 2024. So I've just opened up the Steam application here, and what we want to click on is help, which is the second or just the last option here, and we want to go to Steam support. Now right here you should be able to find your most recent game purchases, and basically what we want to do is click on either the game here, or if we can't find it, just click on purchases. And here you will see all of your purchases. Like I said, so for example, let's say this is the game that I want to refund. Then what we would like to do is just click on it and then select I'd like to request a refund here. Just fill out the information which is required of you to refund the game, and you will have successfully done it. You will have successfully returned a game on Steam. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.